Hawkins here with Chicken Hawk Farmstead. Also with Mabel. You say hi?
Hi.
And today we're got an order for Jerusalem artichokes that we're going to dig up. So here's our bed here, and then I'll kind of show you what we're finding and how long this thing's been going on. Just a second. Well, here's our Jerusalem artichoke bed. One of them, I need to add a lot more dirt. We've lost a lot, or it's settled over the time. It is, what is this, March 27th. So everything's still dormant. It hasn't gotten warm enough for these to resprout. And you see right here, we're digging through the bed. And these are the Jerusalem artichokes that we're finding. You can kind of see it there. We got quite a few without a lot of effort. A lot of this is pretty soft stuff. Using a little, what is it, spud fork here. And we put them in the bed so that way, because these things will continue to spread. Every one of those little tubers that you don't get out will grow into a new plant and produce more and more tubers. And they will take over an area if you don't manage them. So we'll dig out what we can, but we're not going to be able to get it all. So there's going to be plenty of little tubers left that will kick back off and grow more. Yeah, like I said, I've been selling these on eBay some, so I got an order in, so it was a good time to get out here with the little one, right? And do some digging. Oh, you found a big one. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, you did a good job. Yep. Let's put it in our bucket. So, as you can see, we got just out of this little spot here. We got more. This bed's been going for, I guess, 2 years. Yeah, I planted it, and then I didn't harvest that first year. I let all the ones, because I started out with just a little 1 pound bag. In here, we put a little right down the center. And then I got a video previously that I'll put this all in one playlist, I guess, where she helped me plant them, and now she's helping me harvest these. And then the other good thing, I've actually moved these to an area. Just a second, I'll show you that if I can. Can't really tell, but right there, that's the road right on the other side of that fence. All along that fence line, I actually put a little stretch and plant a bunch of these, so that way they're going to grow up, and they did last year, and this year they're going to get thicker, and hopefully we'll have a good little windscreen and sound screen kind of thing, so when vehicles drive by, hopefully it kind of drowns out some of their sound. But yeah, it's a tree house from a recent windstorm we had. Kind of got blown over here, a little place at. So, all right, well, that's it for this little digging up some Jerusalem artichokes today. Like I said, spending time with the little one, something she can help me with. And we're going to make a few quarters, right? We're going to make some quarters for this?
Yeah.
That's right, and we're going to grow some more?
Yeah.
All right, so everybody have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Say bye-bye now.